Hi, today we are with Soumya, who has recently joined Actis pre-sale team. Soumya has over 5 years of experience in AV industry with specialization in electronics. Hi Soumya, how are you today?
Fine, Palak. How are you?
I'm fine. I would like to discuss with you about what are the benefits of implementing digital entertainment both in corporate and residential sector. To start with, how would you describe or define digital entertainment as a technology or solution?
Digital entertainment is an application or a solution that puts together the various different technologies available in the AV industry and other competent industries. The purpose is mainly to achieve a communication goal, pass on some information to the target audience. And it has been predominantly used in India. Now for the past few years it has got into corporate sector as well. And earlier we had it in the residential industry where we had the home theater scenario having full digital displays, audio being treated into the surround sound, and we also have the light setting to give the immersive feel for the audience. And in the hospitality we have the digital signages that also display content to the guests in the hospital. And then now moving on to corporate, we have quite some presence there also.
What, in your opinion, are the key tangible benefits of implementing digital entertainment in the context of business, or is it only for residential or hospitality clients?
Branding is the key tangible benefit of implementing digital entertainment. Now, when it comes to digital signages, you have this good quality video presentation of the content. Now, this has a visual impact on the audience. It could be the companies, the clients, or even the passerbys in case of banking sector. So the visual impact along with the images and the logos that are being portrayed in the displays goes a long way. And you can also look at advertising and just passing on simple content as other benefits, not only to the residential hospitality, but definitely into the corporate world.
What do clients feel about moving to digital entertainment in India?
Digital entertainment has been adopted in the corporate industry for the past few years, and as of last year it has been about 20 to 25% of the corporate people who have taken digital signage as well as video wall displays into their infrastructure. And with the 4K coming in, this digital media is going to thrive in India, and clients feel very good about it because whatever was available as product brochures and catalogs, or even the solutions that are available in the website, are right now concised into a shorter presentation on digital signages, and it's very visually attractive as well.
Can you describe a couple of scenarios where clients have deployed this and what has their feedback been in terms of its impact?
We have the banks and financial institutions in India mostly using the digital entertainment in one form or the other. We have the video wall displays which can actually take in various different formats of content, be it live television or scrolling text that conveys some message to the audience, or it could be the features and facilities available for a bank in the form of images and the audio and video presentation. The video wall displays have a massive impact on the audience. And coming to digital signages also, since it can be remotely controlled, it has got its way into the corporate world in a wide way. And if there's anything that is related to digital entertainment, it has to be in the corporate industry from now on.
Thank you, Soumya, for your time and inputs on digital entertainment.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.